Okay, so with Big Sur, the NTFS is harder to make it writable. So if we have these external NTFS like my passport here, and if we try to write to it or to put data in it, we can't. There's a way that we can do this, is that we're going to do sudo nano etc fstab. So the problem with this one is that it has a space in the name. So what we need to do is to find the UUID by go to about this mag, and then we're going to go to storage, and then we're going to scroll down to my passport here, and we find the volume UUID. What we're going to do is that when we sudo nano the fstab, then we're gonna add UUID equal to the volume UUID of our passport. Then we type none NTFS read write auto and no browse. Okay, so we're going to do Control X. So now if your external USB hard drive has no space in the name of the volume, then we can just use label. So I added, you can add all of your hard drive, the external USB hard drive, in here. Whenever you need to use it, it will be there. Okay, so now we're gonna, after we've done this with the UUID, we're gonna do Control X, and Y is yes, and then we're gonna do enter. So now we're gonna unplug this my passport, and then we're gonna plug it back in. Now the system will not mount, so it cannot mount for us to see here. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this utility, and we see the external my passport is here, but it doesn't show up because it couldn't mount. So we're going to show in folder, show in finder. So we have to keep this on if we want to use it. So now we can transfer files in here without any problem. We can change the name, which we couldn't do it before. When we close this one already, it mounted, but it won't show up here. So every time we want to use it, we have to use this utility and click show in finder. Then we can read write to it. Okay, so now I plug in my Seagate 1 gigabyte, actually it's 1 terabyte, and I'm going to show it in finder, and I can also read and write from it too. That's how we can read and write to our external NTFS in Big Sur.